And we're going to walk you through the Pursuit 265 dual console, and I'd like to show you those features that make our boat most distinctive. Now, you know, incorporated into the bow seating area, we've also designed in some great storage that's insulated. Notice how when I lift this seat cushion up, that there's a dual action hinge assembly that holds the seat cushion in the up position without having to, you know, to maintain control or keep a hand on it. So you can load the box or unload the box real conveniently that way. And that's a, you know, that's a feature that we find that we're pretty distinctive for, just because of the design of the hinge and the design of this component. Now keep in mind, again, we designed the bow seating area with all of this bolstering that surrounds the bow area so that people can sit comfortably or lounge comfortably, either facing forward or facing aft. Now, one of the most distinctive features that we designed into the 265 dual console, and something that's become characteristic in most of our other product, is the fact that we designed in a all composite infused windshield on this boat. This is actually a fiberglass composite component rather than an aluminum extrusion that you might see on other competitive models. And it really adds a lot of strength and durability to the windshield component, while at the same time, you know, it improves the styling effect of the boat overall. It's convenient in the way that it closes off the helm area, and we've got a latching mechanism that locks it in place. Again, I want to point out the fact that all of our Pursuit windshields offer a lot of height and a lot of protection from the wind and the weather while you're underway. And this is also a solid glass, tempered glass windshield that has obviously a tint to it. I also want to point out that we've got a pantographic windshield wiper assembly that's standard on the Pursuit 265, and that's characteristic of what we offer our customers, and that provides more stability for that windshield wiper blade as it travels back and forth across the windshield. Okay, while I'm seated at the helm, you'll notice that I've got a tilt helm feature that's designed into this area right here, just to make it more comfortable depending upon how you're seated or if you're standing at the helm. Additionally, we've designed our helm with a espresso or dark charcoal color to reduce the glare through the windshield as compared to other brands that will finish this in a white gel coat and promote glare, you know, from that perspective. One final thing that I'll point out while I'm over here is that this insert here that fits below the windshield wing is a component that we've designed and built out of fiberglass. It's finished to complement the rest of the boat, and again, it enhances that yacht-like appeal that we design into our product. But we've actually designed the cockpit area to allow a customer to fish from the boat with a great amount of cockpit space that's unencumbered in this area. But we can also easily convert this to a seating area that's L lounge shaped, and I'm going to do that for you now. This folds out like this. The stern seat folds out like this, and now you've got comfortable L lounge seating that's built into the aft cockpit. And again, that's a great customer benefit that's been fed back to us by our existing owners. I'll also add that we've got a convenient insulated storage area underneath this seat cushion right here, and again, it's fully insulated and it drains directly overboard. We've designed some additional versatility into the cockpit of the 265 dual console in adding this refreshment center to the boat. And we have fresh water available here so that you can prepare some sandwiches and wash down. Additionally, we have access to the DC panel behind this door right here. Keep in mind that we finished these components in solid fiberglass. The lids here and this door facing is finished in solid fiberglass as compared to acrylic or starboard or plastic. And again, that's another point that we make in adding yacht-like attention to detail to our product. Now, down below the cockpit floor, the machinery area that we've designed into the boat allows great access to all the water pumps, your through-hull connections, the fuel water separator, and you'll notice that we've designed into this boat a fiberglass infused stringer system. It's a grid stringer system that actually is bonded inside the hull, and then we finish that in fiberglass so it's easy to keep clean. One of the features that is part of the design of this is that we've designed in a subfloor into the stringer grid so that your bilge water is actually contained under the subfloor and it feeds back into a sump that's designed into the stringer in the back of the boat, and then the bilge pump and bilge pump switch is located in that area. That keeps this area pretty clean and free of water, of course. Now we can actually exit and enter the cockpit through this transom door arrangement that we've designed into the cockpit. It's popular for people boarding the boat after they've skied, or they've been doing some wakeboarding, or they've stepped from the dock on board the boat. And you can see as I move back here, we designed a lot of space into this transom area as a swim out, or a swim platform, if you will. Again, we designed this boat with the idea that there would be water sports activity in mind. We also designed the boat from the very beginning to have a single engine application rather than the option to package the boat with twins. And we did that because we knew that we could gain some improved efficiency and performance with the single engine F300 and F350 on board this boat. And we also could preserve the space on the transom platform to allow for more function in terms of people boarding the boat from the water and using this as a swim out. With this engine, with the F350 packaged with this boat, we run 3 miles per hour faster than our competitive boats that are designed to package with twin 150s, and we're also more fuel efficient as well. And that was our goal from the very beginning. We've been able to prove that out in the final testing of this product. Well, it's been our pleasure to walk you through the Pursuit 265 dual console this morning. We've shown you that the boat is packed with feature content. It's competitive in that it's rugged, it's durable, and it's really, really stylish and versatile. I would invite you to get further details and see the product firsthand at your local Pursuit dealer, and you can actually contact them through contacting us at 1-800-94-PURSUIT, or go onto our website at www.pursuitboats.com. See us on Facebook also.